If you have ever gone looking for a printable murder mystery, you have probably run into the same 4 questions in every comment section and almost never an answer. Can the host play? How long does it actually last? Does it still work if only 4 people turn up? And what exactly is in the file you are paying for? This is Countdown to Murder. Over the next few minutes, I am going to answer all 4 of those on camera, using the kit itself. Let me answer them up front, so you are not waiting for them. Can the host play? Yes. Does it work with 4 people? Yes, and it goes up to 20. Does anybody have to act? No. Every one of those answers has a reason sitting behind it, and the rest of this video is those reasons. So, what exactly do you get? 102 pages in one download, with nothing arriving in the post. That is the host guide, the character material for 8 suspects, 24 numbered clue cards, 12 witness statements, and the whole printable table on top of that. And that page count is not padding. The 24 clue cards are individually written and individually numbered. The 8 suspects each get their own statements, their own secret, and their own reason to look guilty. Behind them sit 12 witness statements. So when somebody at your table asks a question you did not plan for, there is already a printed answer for it. This is the host guide, and it is the part that decides whether your evening works. It runs minute by minute. When to hand out the characters, when to open a round, what to read out loud, what to do if the table goes quiet, and what to do when somebody turns up late. You are not improvising and you are not remembering. You are reading. These are the clue cards. They arrive numbered and grouped by round, so you deal them out without reading them. That is the mechanism that lets you host and play at the same time. You are handing out information you have not looked at, exactly like everybody else sitting at the table. And this is the table itself, printed. Invitations you send out beforehand, name tints so nobody forgets who anybody is, round signs, accusation sheets for the final vote, and a certificate for whoever gets it right. Printed, cut where it tells you to cut, and the room is dressed. Here is the whole game in one shape. 3 rounds. In each round, everybody reads their statement out loud from the page in front of them. Then the clue cards are dealt. Then anybody can question anybody. You go through that 3 times, and then everyone writes down who they think did it. That is the entire structure. Does it work with 4? Yes. The kit is written for 4 to 20 players. At the small end, the guide tells you exactly which characters to combine and which ones to leave out, and the mystery still solves cleanly. At the big end, nobody ends up in a corner with nothing to say. For people round a kitchen table gets you a real game, not a stripped-down one. Does anybody have to act? No, and this is the one that stops most people. Every line you say is printed for you. You read your statement off the page in your hand, and then you sit back down. No accents, no memorizing, no standing up in front of the room. If somebody at your table would honestly rather not speak at all, they can still play, and they can still win. It is an instant download. You buy it, the file is there, you print it. There is nothing to wait for in the post, which means this can be a same-day decision. Buy it tonight, print it tonight, play it tonight. And if you are giving this to somebody rather than hosting it yourself, there is a printable gift certificate sitting in the file. Print that one, hand it over, and they get the whole kit and choose their own night to run it. That is Countdown to Murder. 102 pages, 24 clues, 8 suspects, 4 to 20 players, and a host who still gets to play. The link is the first line of the description underneath this video. And if there is something I did not answer, put it in the comments and I will answer it there.